My 2000 GMC Envoy. I've got a Kenwood, can't read what it is, maybe you can, but I got the Kenwood radio here. And because it has this miswiring DC offset error, I've seen people posting on YouTube that they take apart their dash, pull the radio out, unplug it, plug it back in. I'm wondering if I could shortcut the process by undoing the battery, which is simpler than taking this apart. Let's go see. Okay, so I'm going to grab a wrench. I think it's a 10 mil. I'll let you know. And just pull the negative terminal because the positive terminal's next to the chassis, and swinging a wrench on that is bad, so always pull the negative first. It's not a 10, it's an 8 mil. So I can't use my very cool box ratchets that are just box ratchet nice. So I'm going to leave it off for like 10 seconds, and then I'm going to plug it back in. And so let's, ooh, sparky. Sorry, doing the work and videotaping at the same time is hard. Okay, and we're good. So let's go inside and see what the radio says. Normal boot screen. Yes. No whammy. Oh. Alright, so we're back to initial setup. So we're going to go demonstration off. Language is English. Rear camera on. Let's say finish. Looks good. No wham-e. I got to set the time, and I think we're good to go. Hey, if you like this video, give me a like, a share, and subscribe. I do appreciate you and all the support I get from you by doing those things. Thank you so much. Have a great day.